Hello, welcome back to burping challenge number 2 with me, Blubb. So I uploaded another one 2 seconds ago. So look, this is gonna be the most burps in 1 minute. Okay. Timer here. Focus. You can't see it, but it's there anyway. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so 80 burps in 1 minute. Challenge completed. Timer done. Cancel. Okay, so that has been burping challenge number 2 done. And good night, goodbye, stay burpy. I don't even know what that means, but bye.